realist. I'm feeling lavish, looking sharp as if I'm in my open casket. The way you bragging makes you look passive. I'm in my own lane, nobody else could ever pass me. You wanna hit the brakes, but all I know is pumping gas. I'm everlasting. My bars stay on your membrane like a formula in geometry and anomaly. That means you cannot copy me. Music sticks in my veins like it's my oxygen. Reciprocity for my honesty. Cause honestly, you ladies ain't on my level. I spit the bass, you the treble. I loaded the empty barrel and I cop back with fury in my eyes as I shot down all the lies that reside in your rhymes. And on me, you can call me Queen D, baby. Your flow is pitiful, I got the remedy, baby. I see the benefit for every time I sneeze, baby. I'm a blessing in your presence, remember me, baby.
I'm getting to the moonlight like Monopoly.
Like Monopoly.
Step up, tell me who's topping me. I'm the realest, I'm a killer, stating fact. Let's show 'em what the industry lack. Bring hip hop back. I'm getting to the moonlight like Monopoly.
Like Monopoly.
Step up, tell me who's topping me. I'm the realest, I'm a killer, stating fact. Let's show 'em what the industry lack. Bring hip hop back.
I'm supplying the heat, call me D-Way. Bitches is drowning just to get a ride on this way. You cannot find a higher height when riding this plane. I kill them softly whenever I'm hitting the stage. Born a warrior, so you know if you begin it, I'ma end it, inject the sword in ya, I'm warning ya. Women are becoming more ratchet than AK-47s. Niggas dropping from them like bullets, the only way to heaven. Please discover your purpose, tell me how much your worth is. 25 to life? Nah, I don't think it's worth it. You better off in churches, repenting your sins with a devilish grin. Cause you already know you'll do it again, and do it again, and do it again. My flow is just too sick, I need some penicillin. See, I'm already the winner, I see no competition. Might as well sign a petition that says your songbird is vicious.
I'm getting to the moonlight like Monopoly.
Like Monopoly.
Step up, tell me who's topping me. I'm the realest, I'm a killer, stating fact. Let's show 'em what the industry lack. Bring hip hop back. I'm getting to the moonlight like Monopoly.
Like Monopoly.
Step up, tell me who's topping me. I'm the realest, I'm a killer, stating fact. Let's show 'em what the industry lack. Bring hip hop back. Started going dumb when you haters, I'ma go Matic. All that bullshit y'all talking, shorty, I done had it. I'm where I'm at for a reason, that's why y'all mad it. Get slid like a rug, I ain't talking Aladdin. Niggas say they move vlogs like they build a cabin. They habitual liars, and it's really sad. Spitting flames, gassed up, now I'm lit. Revert back to old ways, the new me ain't shit. The old you ain't shit. I treat boys like my son, act like you 1-3. I'll tuck you in, you comfy? Hella bars in that chamber, now I'm letting it off. Many people die from anger, so I'm letting mine off. Heart colded in a shiver, cause of you fraud hitters. Me worry about you, I'm just worried about my business. Stacking money to the ceiling till it's tipping fall. The new king is on the job, you fired, that's all. What? I'm getting to the moonlight like Monopoly.
Like Monopoly.
Step up, tell me